Hey everyone, welcome back. Day 35. Now before we get started, I just want to show you how you can go about getting the code to create the email signature, let's call it. So that portion at the email where you could add your photo and email address like I do. I made it very simple here. Head on over to a site called ImageBox, so imgbox.com. From there, very simple process. Just click on Upload Images. Find your photo of yourself that you want to use in your email. Preferably it's already sized to around 200 by 200, something of that nature. It could be 150 by 150, somewhere around there. Either way, it doesn't really matter because there's an option in here to resize. I just prefer to resize my stuff before that. So let's assume, like, here's my image, it's already bigger. So I'm just going to choose any image. Open that up. For content type, it's family. For the thumbnail size that you want to create here, I scroll down. Don't select these square ones, because if your image isn't already square, it's going to resize and look bad. So you can go here and select, 200 by 200 if you want, 250 by 250. Depends how big you want it. Let's choose 200 by 200 for this example. Disable the comments, because you don't want to allow people to comment on your picture, because then everyone's going to see it and it's going to get full of spam, and you don't want that. And then select Do Not Create a Gallery, because this way it's just less hassle. Okay, you don't need to touch anything else. Just make sure you have family safe, 200 by 200 resized, disable comments, do not create a gallery, start upload. This is going to upload your photo and create the code that you need to use. Take the HTML code that's here. So if you click in, it highlights it. Copy that. I'm going to provide you with this code here. Okay, I'm going to upload it somewhere and provide you the link to this. So go under it, paste in your code. Now, all you need is to look for this img source. So that's the image source if you don't know HTML. Take the HTTPS all the way to the end where it says PNG. You don't need the quotes or anything, just take that portion. Copy that, and where it says paste your image link here, remove where paste your image here, leave the quotes, paste in your image link right there. Where it says your email here, type in your email address. So terry@terryrecommends.com. Okay, I'm just going to copy that so I don't have to retype it. And then paste it again where it says right here, your email here again. That's simply where you need to paste your email address again. So this way, the link of your text for your email address will be a hyperlink so people can click it. Okay, copy this code here. This is your new code. So copy that over. Let's go test it in myleadgensecret. So log into your account. It's just a test right now. You can still log into your first one, doesn't matter. Click on mailing system as if you were going to go send an email. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to click on source, highlight everything, paste that in. So now your code should look like this. Click on source, and there we go. See, this is a hyperlink, and if you don't believe me, you can click on preview. So it's going to open up. See, you can click this, and it's going to email the person will see this and be able to click to email you if they want. But your photo is there, and the little PS is here. So I removed the little Facebook link for this example, but feel free to edit this if you want to add in any text that you want. You don't have to send people to your Facebook page. One more click out could mean one less sale for you. Totally up to you. You could get away with just using your email address. So go with that. Use this as is. So this would be your new code. So I'm going to provide you with this, and all you need to do is have your photo ready. Come on over to this website, ImageBox. It's completely free. What you need to do is let me just show you something. I'm going to delete this image because I don't need it here. Wherever or whatever site you want to use to host your image, make sure that it has hot linking, because that's exactly what you're doing. It's called hot linking. You're linking to an image from somewhere else. Okay? So there we go. I will provide you with a link to this text. All you need to do is take your image source, so just the URL portion, so HTTPS to your image. So if it's a JPEG you're using, it's going to be .jpg. Okay, so whatever your image is, make sure you copy just that portion, paste that up in here, change where it's going to say your email address, and again, put in your email address there. That's all you'll need to do to have this code. All right. Let me close out of this. Let me close out of this. And I will go log out of this. All right. So today we are day 35. We are doing, okay, if you don't know already, Write App Reviews. This is where we got it. What I already did here is I already have it set up. I changed the email subject because I'm not really a fan of Your Opinion Matters. I think it needed a little bit more urgency, and that's exactly what I've done. I've gone ahead and said Your Opinion Matters, app testers needed, urgent. We'll see what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our email subject, log into our first account, log in. Let's go to mailing system, select all your leads. There we go, make sure it's all there. Paste your subject. Let's go grab the email body. Scroll down, click on source, highlight everything, paste. And oh, look at that, it grabbed, I must have an extra space in here. Hold on a second. So you want to make sure that there's no extra spaces. There we go. Because when you do, you're going to get those quotes. All right, so click on source. Now we're going to add our new text that we have here. I've inserted my image. I've kept my email address here. This is the file we just worked on. Add that to the bottom of the email. Click on source. There's my image. Now all we need to do is highlight everything. Click on font. Select Arial. Size 18. Now we have our first name fix in here. I have the first subject. Let's highlight this, and okay, so bold italic just to get people's eyes down here. Okay, I'm just going to change that. That's feedback. Okay, so let's add a link in here. So visit our website here for sure. Bold, underline, link. Let's go back to our sheet, and we're going to grab today's link right here. Paste that in. Make sure to change your ClickBank ID to your ClickBank ID. So in my case, it's Terry MLGS. So Terry MLGS. Click OK. There we have it. Then we need to add it again. Now what I should do is, so I don't mess up in the future, make sure I change it here. Terry MLGS. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy this again. And let's find one more spot to put our links here. Limit software startups. Okay, looking for reviews. Yeah, let's go with that. Looking for reviews from honest people. Let's take all of that. So bold, underline, and link in there. So our Terry MLGS is there. Let me just verify this one here for a second. I'm gonna just make sure my link is correct. And so we have our photo, we have our little email here, and make sure you have everything in here. First name fix, some bold text, your links, your photo, and your link to your email address. Click perfect timing, send email. Now that we have that, we can copy this, make sure it's ready. Sorry, click on the tab at the top, duplicate, scroll to the top of this tab, and account, log out, log in, choose your next account if you have one, click mailing system, select all your leads, ensure that they move over to the right. There we go. Paste in your subject, come over here, grab your source of this email, so click on source, highlight everything, copy, don't paste like I just did, copy, come in here, click on source, highlight everything, paste here, click on source, let's just verify that everything is here, it is, click perfect timing, send email. And we just wait for the message to appear before we do anything, because you never know what could happen. All right, this is done. So I've only done 2, but I don't want to keep you here too long, so I'll go ahead and do the other 6 that I have. You can go ahead and download the code here. I will send you this link. I will post it in the video description, so where you can get this. And don't forget to use imgbox.com, upload your image, paste it here, correct your email address here and here. There'll be 2 spots for it. It'll be identified. Simply make sure you take the right code, all of it, paste it in here, and you should be good to go. All right, on that note, if you need me, you can find me by email here. My email is back up and running, and I have replied to several of you already. I have a few more to do. I'll do it after this. You can also find me on Facebook, How to Make a Buck. And of course, the best way is to comment below. All right, on that note, have a good one. Come back tomorrow. See you again.